Hello, I am Madhu. I am a student of Jeffin Shilia's Twin Flame Ascension classes and their life purpose classes. I have followed their teaching from last 3.5 years and I have embodied their teaching and implemented their teaching in my life, and I have been greatly benefited out of that. It's a unique relationship that I have created with God by just going through this healing modality. And today I want to share my insight about the cult and all this thing that got arised from the article of Vanity Fair. I believe most of you must have gone through that, and some of your own upset must have come up to the surface. And I believe that you must be grounded in the truth, that anything that you experience or anything that you feel within your heart and that is upsetting you, that's because it is an upset that is coming up to be healed. So I'm just sharing my truth and sharing the truth of the cult, and just see how you feel about it, and do you resonate with it, do you resonate with the truth. And there are some of the logic that I would like to share here and just invite you to just feel into your heart, right? So as you know, I belong to India. I have like deeply rooted spiritual practices from my childhood that I have been doing with different teachers from India. And I have seen, I have seen what exactly is a cult leader, and how do they behave, you know and what are their purposes, right? You can, even when this cult thing is coming up, it is actually a good opportunity to actually clean up our consciousness and understand the truth, what truly cult is, so that not only now or even in future or even in generation, nobody should become a should become a part of the cult. That is why this has come up, for every one of us to heal together. As you know, I do practice in different energy modalities also. So when I study the soul profile, I understand very deeply, and I have also came across the situation that people actually struggle in the current life to even deeply connect with themselves, because in the previous life they have been a part of cult, where they never had the freedom to even choose the truth or love or God. Because what a cult does, a cult is something like, the leader of the cult is normally pretend to be the god of the, whoever is following them. And they have the ability, they have that energy to attract the people who are very vulnerable and very sensitive and very innocent, right? So the normally they influence those people and invite them with love, and then naturally embed them into a discipline where everyone is supposed to follow the leader as the god. Everyone is going to be taught with a like a specific set of teaching, like everybody has to believe in only this set of teaching. Okay, so they will define that from themselves, and they feed that or program that into the mind of people, where the people will start to slowly disconnect with everything around them, and then just see the person as the god only. But I just want you to see what is happening here, right? What is happening in TFU specifically, when Jeff and Shilia is teaching, they are not teaching anything so that you follow them. You follow them if you love them in your heart, if their teaching is bringing you closer to God, right? That's what their message is. In the mirror exercise, if you go in the deeper layers of mirror exercise, so mirror exercise is something that invite you to have a deep, intimate and unique connection with yourself, right? Because if you know, in the steps it asks you, what do you need to feel love? Okay, nobody tells you that you need this to feel loved. Okay, the step is always presented to you, and it's always invite you to connect that part in your heart, so that you can understand what you desire at this moment to feel loved. Okay, and then the choice or the truth is presented to you. Yes, there is a definite truth of the universe or the God. Okay, you need to understand what is the truth of God, because over a period of time, even specifically ego, they have manipulated the truth of God for their benefit. Okay, like like if you hold on to the fear of God, most of the culture, we are into that phase where it is like we are scared of God. Like we believe as if we are here as a punishment by God. This is what is our current belief, and this is what we are cleaning up, right? So this is what is not true. What is true is God is something who loves you unconditionally, right? And when God loves you unconditionally, anything that comes from God feels like love and peace within your heart, right? So those truths are presented to you, and those truths are taken from different teachings from Yogananda and ACIM. All those basic fundamentals or the teaching where it is deeply rooted in the spirituality has been gathered, and that truth is presented to you in a form that you understand it very simple way, right? But the only thing that you need to know is, do you really have a real desire to connect with God, connect with love, right? So twin flames are basically that we are here to propagate that true love, right? The way that you feel in your heart, that's what you are going to expand and share that or give that back to the world. So the more we stand in the love that we feel for our twin flame or feel for God, that's where is our path, right? That's what we are unblocking for ourselves. So if you see logically, nobody in TFU is telling you what can make you feel loved, right? You have the absolute free will to choose what makes you feel loved. So there is the truth is presented to you. The truth is something that can be replicated again and again. The truth is something that if you follow in United Kingdom or anywhere, any part of the world, that will work for you. Anybody from US, if they follow the truth, they will get the same result. Anybody who is in India, if they follow that truth, they will get the same result. So the result does not change. When there is truth, you are going to get the same result again and again, only when you follow it in a disciplined way. Discipline is very much necessary, because the universe works on energy, right? The more you are disciplined in your energy, like the moment you are cleaning up your blocks and you are only embodying your new energy or divine energy, right? So if you are not disciplined, then you are going to leak your energy that you have cultivated in your heart. So discipline is a part of it, right? The more you come into the awareness of truth, how quickly you are embodying that truth within yourself, right? And the more you embody the truth, you will feel lighter, right? Every time you come out of a session through the TFU coaching session, you will definitely feel very much lightness and love inside your heart. You feel like there is the life is very beautiful, and you really feel motivated and passionate to even pursue your life purpose. Your life purpose is something that is your unique gift that you can only give to the world, give back to the world. It's the way that you want to love the world. That's what your life purpose is, right? So it is all about you and God. It is not about anything that you follow your coach or you follow your guru. No, follow your guru because you love them, because they are presenting the truth to you, because the truth is the path to heaven, right? And the mission that everybody in the TFU are is to establish that heaven on earth. Everybody here is actually desiring that heaven on earth, because so far we have experienced so much contrast, suffering and sacrifices, that somewhere we are completely disconnected to the love and the good feelings within ourselves. And through the inner work, we are actually transforming within ourselves. So it cannot happen by one person embodying it. So only when you embody your own true self, you are not embodying anything else. You need to embody your own true self, and express your divine essence, express your own light. So that's when the heaven is going to established, right? So that's what is happening through this teaching. And feel safe, you can see me, I'm so much far away and from Jeff and Shelia, sitting in India in my own space and just following the teaching. I have transformed my life to a great extent. I did not knew Jeff and Shelia before knowing that I am a twin flame, right? I first got to know, I went through my awakening. I got to know that I am a twin flame. I got to know, or I felt that unconditional love, and then I searched for Guru, and I was simply surrendered, and I asked God, show me my Guru, where I can go deeper and go closer to you, go closer to my unconditional love. And then I actually accidentally saw their YouTube videos. So this is how I came across Jeff and Shelia. So I have been very much honored by learning them, by embodying the true love in my heart, and greatly benefited. Like I released my karmic relationship, I released my job, and now deeply into my life purpose, extending my love. I'm in a state where I'm absolutely free from the codependency, and I am deeply pursuing my twin flame harmonious union. I'm absolutely committed to my twin flame, and the loyalty that I hold in my heart towards even the community, towards you, towards my twin flame, there is no separation in all of the three cases, because I embody the loyalty, right? It's not coming from anything outside. So the more I'm embodying loyalty, it my twin flame reflects it back to me. So I need to see whether I am reflecting this energy in every relationship of my life, right? Am I sharing my honesty wherever I am going, not only to my twin flame, right? Because I am embodying honesty, I am embodying love, right? So I'll be loving to my twin flame, I'm loving to my students, I'm loving to my guru, I'm loving to my coach, because I am embodying love. So this is what it is. It's all about you embodying it, and it's a beautiful energy, I will say, shift that happened in the community, that brought us more light, even to understand what exactly cult is, so that not only you understand it for yourself, but also you'll be able to see maybe your near and dears who are engaged in knowingly and unknowingly in the cult activity. You can introduce them the truth, and the truth is going to make you feel good in your heart and make you feel loved. So that's what I wanted to share, and I would love to talk to you and work with you. If you want to work with me, you can approach me through the website that I have given in the description. And thank you very much.